Example problem 8.2. Which of the following functions of time represent periodic and non-periodic motion? Give the period for each case of periodic motion. So here some functions are given. So we have to find in these functions which one represent periodic motion or non-periodic motion, and also find period for each case of periodic motion. So we have to find period, that is time period t. Let us see the first one. F of t is equal sin omega t plus cos omega t. Here the function is linear combination of sine and cosine function. So if the function is linear combination of sine and cosine function, that function represents periodic motion. So here we already learned, if f of t is a sine function, that is a sin omega t, or if f of t is a cosine function, that is a cos omega t, or f of t is a linear combination of sine and cosine function. So here a sin omega t plus b cos omega t. In all cases, the function f of t represents periodic motion. So the given function f of t is equal sin omega t plus cos omega t. So this function is linear combination of sine and cosine function. So here f of t represents periodic motion. So this function can be written as, how we can write? F of t is equal d into sin omega t plus pi. Here d is equal under root of a square plus b square. Here pi is equal tan inverse b by a. Here f of t is linear combination of sine and cosine function. So here this function can be written as f of t is equal d into sin omega t plus pi. So here d is under root of a square plus b square. Here pi is tan inverse b by a. So here what is a value and b value? So here a is 1 into sin omega t, is 1 into cos omega t. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So let us find d value and pi value. So here d is equal to under root of a square plus b square, that is equal under root of, here a square is 1 square plus 1 square, that is equal 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. So here d is equal to how much? Square root of 1 plus 1, that is equal to square root of 2. So what is pi? Here pi is equal to tan inverse b by a. So that is equal to tan inverse, here b is equal to 1 by a is equal to 1. 1 by 1 is tan inverse 1. Here tan 45 is 1. So tan inverse 1 is equal to 45 degrees. So therefore pi is equal to how much? 45 degrees, or pi by 4 radians. So the function f of t sin omega t plus cos omega t, how we can write? So f of t is equal d into, d is equal to root 2 into sin omega t plus pi. Here pi is equal to how much? Pi by 4. So here f of t is a sine function. So it is a periodic function. So the given function is periodic. So here we also find time period. So time period t is equal to how much? It is 2 pi by omega. Here omega is omega. So that is called omega. See the second one. Here f of t is equal sin omega t plus cos 2 omega t plus sin 4 omega t. Here f of t is linear combination of sine, cosine and sine function. So if the function is linear combination of sine and cosine function, that function represent periodic motion. So here f of t is represent periodic motion. So let us find period of function f of t. So how we can find? Here f of t is the sum of three terms. That first term is sin omega t, second term is cos 2 omega t, third term is sin 4 omega t. So here what is the time period for the first term is? So here sin omega t. What is the time period for sin omega t? So it is t naught is equal 2 pi by angular frequency. Here angular frequency is omega. What is the time period for cos 2 omega t? So here cos 2 omega t. So time period for cos 2 omega t, t1 is equal to how much it is? 2 pi by angular frequency, that is 2 omega. So it is written as 1 by 2 into 2 pi by omega. So that is equal, here 2 pi by omega is t naught by 2. So what is the time period for sin 4 omega t? So sin 4 omega t. Time period for sin 4 omega t is t2 is equal to how much it is? 2 pi by angular frequency. Angular frequency is 4 omega. So here 4 omega. So that is 1 by 4 2 pi by omega. So that is called t naught by 4. Here the period of first term is multiple of last two terms. The smallest interval of time that the sum of three terms repeats is t naught. Let us check. Here I am taking the time period of first term is t naught. So that is time taken for one oscillation is time period. So here I am taking. So that is t naught. So here time period for second term is t naught by 2. So here that is, here it is t naught by 2. Time taken for one oscillation is t naught by 2 for second term. So here I am taking time taken for one oscillation for third term, that is sin 4 omega t is how much it is? T naught by 4. So here it is t naught by 4. See, in this time interval t naught by 4, this function is repeat, but this function is not repeated. So in t naught by 2, here it is t naught by 2, this function is repeat, but this function is not repeated. So see, in this function, if time period is, I am taking t naught, so in this function this is repeated, this is also repeated. So the smallest interval of time that the sum of three terms repeat is t naught. So time period is t naught. So the time period for the function f of t is t naught. So that is called 2 pi by omega. So here f of t represent periodic motion. The period is 2 pi by omega. See the third one. Here f of t is equal e power of minus omega t. Here the function f of t is not a sine function, or it is not a cosine function, or it is not a linear combination of sine and cosine function. So simply we say the function represent non-periodic motion. So let us check. Here I have to draw a graph f of t versus time t. Here the values are, here I am taking t is equal to 0. So f of t is equal to how much? It is e power of 0 into minus omega. Here it is 0. E power 0 is equal to 1. Here coordinates are 0, 1. If t is equal to infinite, so here f of t is equal to e power infinite into omega. So here minus infinite. So that is equal to 1 by e power of infinite. So 1 by e power infinite is equal to 1 by infinite. So here f of 1 by infinite is equal to how much? It is 0. So f of t is equal to 0. If x coordinate is infinite, y coordinate is 0. So here it is 0. It is 1. So here it is 1. If t is 0, f of t is 1. Here t is 0, f of t is 1. Here t is infinite, so it is infinite. F of t tends to 0. So the graph is like this. Here the curve is decreasing with increasing time. So the curve is not repeated. So the value of function f of t is decreasing with increasing time. So it is not a repeated function. So the f of t is represent non-periodic motion. See fourth one. Here f of t is log omega t. Here also the function f of t is not a sine function, or it is not a cosine function, or it is not a linear combination of sine and cosine function. So simply we say the function represent non-periodic motion. Let us check. So here I have to draw a graph f of t versus time. Or omega t. So here omega t is equal to 0.1. So what about f of t? F of t is equal to log 0.1. So that value is minus 1. What are the coordinates? 0.1 comma minus 1. Omega t is 1. So here f of t is equal to log 1. So log 1 is equal to 0. So the coordinate is 1 comma 0. If omega t is 10, here f of t is log 10. So log 10 is 1. So the coordinates is 10 comma 1. So let us draw a curve. Here it is 0, it is plus 1, here it is minus 1. Take the x value is, here it is 1, so like this. Here it is, let us take it is 10. So here it is 0.1. Here omega t is 0.1, f of t is minus 1. So here omega t is 0.1, f of t is minus 1. So here the coordinate minus 1.1 comma minus 1 is this one. If omega t is 1, f of t is 0. So omega t is 1, f of t is 0. This is here. If omega t is 10, f of t is 1. So here omega t is 10, f of t is, let us take, here it is 1. So here the graph is like this. So in this graph also, the curve increase with increasing omega t. So it is not a repeated. So the function f of t is non-periodic motion. Example problem 8.3. Which of the following functions of time represent simple harmonic motion and periodic but not simple harmonic? Give the period for each case. So here some functions are given. So that is sin omega t minus cos omega t, sin square omega t. So in this question we have to find which function is represents simple harmonic motion. So in this two function, which function is represents simple harmonic motion and periodic but not simple harmonic motion? And also we find period for each case. So here also we find period, time period, that is t. See A, here f of t is equal sin omega t minus cos omega t. When we say the function f of t represent simple harmonic motion, here the function f of t is sinusoidal function of time. Here f of t is sinusoidal function of time, then only the function f of t represent simple harmonic motion. So here what is sinusoidal function? Here f of t is sine function or a cosine function. So then only the function f of t represent simple harmonic motion. So let us check. Here f of t can be written as, that is f of t is equal d into sin omega t plus pi. So here what is the d value? Here d is equal to under root of a square plus b square. Here pi is equal tan inverse b by a. So here a is equal 1. Here b is equal minus 1. So we have to find d value. So here d is equal to under root of a square, here 1 square, plus b square, here minus 1 square. So that is equal to under root of a square is 1, minus 1 square is 1. So here therefore d is equal to how much? Square root of 1 plus 1, that is 2. So here pi is equal to, how we can find? That is tan inverse b by a. So that is called tan inverse. Here B is called -1, A is equal 1. So that is called tan inverse -1. So therefore pi is equal to how much? It is tan inverse -1. So that is minus pi by 4. So the function here f of t is, how we can write? F of t is equal d into √2 into sin omega t plus pi. Omega t, here pi is equal minus pi by 4. So here the given function is, how we can write? F of t is equal √2 into sin omega t minus pi by 4. So the given function is in a sine function. So f of t is represent simple harmonic motion. So the given function represents simple harmonic motion. Here the simple harmonic motion have amplitude A is √2, angular frequency is omega, and phase constant is minus pi by 4 r. Here minus pi by 4 plus 2 pi. So that is 4 to the 8 pi minus pi. That is 7 pi by 4. So here r, it is 7 pi by 4. Here time period t is 2 pi by angular frequency, that is omega. So period of simple harmonic motion is 2 pi by omega. See B. Here f of t is sin square omega t. So if f of t is a sinusoidal function of time, then only the f of t is represent simple harmonic motion. Here what is sinusoidal function of time t? So the function f of t is a sine function or a cos function. Let us check. So here f of t is equal sin square omega t. So here we have a formula, sin square theta is equal 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So here 1 minus cos, here theta place, it is omega t. So cos 2 theta means cos 2 omega t by 2. So it can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos 2 omega t. So here it is not a complete sine function. Here we have extra term, that is 1 by 2. So it is not a simple harmonic function. So the function f of t is not represent a simple harmonic motion, but it represent harmonic motion. So here what is the time period? So that is t is, how much it is? 2 pi by angular frequency, that is 2 omega. So that is pi by omega. And the equilibrium position have 1 by 2 instead of 0. So here in this case the equilibrium position, here it is 0, occurs at 1 by 2.